Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best anti-anxiety and calming dog beds that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Best Friends by Sheri, the original calming donut dog and cat bed. The Best Friends by Sheri bed is my overall pick for the best anti-anxiety dog bed for most dogs. It has a round shape and slightly raised rim and is made from soft material to give your dog a comfy place to burrow down and curl up. The bed cover comes in 2 material options: long faux fur or textured luxe plush, which are both self-warming, soft, and snuggly. It comes in 6 sizes and 17 colors to choose from, so there's a color for every decor. The specially designed cozy loft fiber filling holds up over time, keeping the bed full and fluffy even after washing. You can put the smaller beds into the washing machine, and the larger options have a removable cover you can machine wash. The bottom of the bed has a water and dirt resistant back to help keep it cleaner and fresher and prevent damage to your floors. Best Friends by Sheri is an extremely popular calming dog bed with excellent customer reviews. Watch this short segment from the Hallmark channel that discusses the benefits of calming dog beds and features my best overall pick. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Coohom Oval Calming Donut Cuddler Dog Bed. If you have a large dog and don't think the round, donut-shaped beds are ideal, this Coohom bed could fit the bill. This bed's oval shape is better for larger dogs who like to stretch out while sleeping. It comes in 3 sizes, and the XXL calming dog bed accommodates dogs weighing up to 100 pounds and features an 8-inch high rim for head and neck support. Oval dog beds help to save a little space in your room. It's stuffed with vegan cotton fiber, and the cover is soft faux fur. Coohom's oval pet bed is a better choice if you're looking for a calming donut bed for your dog's crate than a traditional circle donut. This bed has a non-slip bottom and comes in 8 colors. It is also well priced compared to similar products. However, this bed doesn't have a removable cover. So, although it can be washed in the machine, some owners found the larger option was too large to fit into their washer. At number 3, we have the Pet Fusion Calming Cuddler Dog and Cat Bed. If your dog finds comfort from burrowing, this soothing pet bed could be a perfect choice. It comes in 2 sizes and has a loose, soft blanket attached to the bed, so your burrower won't fling it off. It's also a top choice for dogs who like to bury their toys and treats or hide them from other dogs in the home. The high-walled bolster side provides support and security, has a non-skid bottom, and its shape means it could fit well inside a dog crate. The 2-inch CertiPure US memory foam base offers good support and is protected by a waterproof inner liner. The neutral gray and ivory colors suit most homes, and the material is pet safe. You can remove the bolsters and machine wash the covers. Unlike the other beds in my reviews, this calming dog bed has a 1-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Furhaven 35 inches round orthopedic dog bed. Some dogs prefer some cover to feel soothed. This round Furhaven cave bed has an attached blanket your dog can snuggle under. You can add the plastic tubing to convert the blanket into a hood if that's a better option for your pup. The bed comes in 3 sizes with a thick 3-inch egg crate memory foam base that contours to your dog's body and can help soothe joint pain. It's lined with insulated Sherpa for a cozy, warm sleeping environment, and the outer shell is a luxurious suede material. There are 7 color options, and the cover is removable for easy machine washing. Only a few customers found the plastic tubing isn't sturdy enough. And finally, at number 1, we have the Blunique Calming Couch Bed. This option differs from my other choices because it isn't a standalone dog bed. Although you can put it on the floor, it's designed to be placed on the couch or bed. So, if your dog feels calmer being on the couch or snuggled up to you, they get the best of both worlds. You can also place it in the trunk of your car, which can help pups feel less anxious while traveling. It has 3 bolstered sides to support their neck and head and offer an extra sense of security. This bed comes in 3 sizes and 6 colors to suit any couch. The cover is made from soft faux fur, has a non-slip bottom, and is scratch resistant. It is also waterproof to help protect your furniture from liquids and other messes. You can remove the 3 bolsters and wash the cover in the machine. Some customers felt it wasn't as thick as they'd liked, but this bed is designed to be placed onto a couch or bed.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon